This one project, a simple DIY made from a single 1x4x8 piece of pine, is going to pay for every single tool required to make it, including the gas and McDonald's fries I picked up along the way. Can I get a large fry? Selling for one Hamilton, I still pocket $100 off the first board. On the second board, that number jumps to $160, and so on. Plus, I own the tools. Okay, it's these tools, and that just lowers your entry fee. Congratulations. Let's go buy these tools. It's a 45-minute drive both directions, which is why I got the fries. Today's project came from inspiration dating back to 1795. Humans try to evolve and make things better and easier, more automated so that we have more time to kick back and relax. But cell phones cannot help us with this one. And that's where you come in to save the day. First stop on the list was Menards. I picked up our 1x4x8 piece of select pine. Didn't go with standard because those look like they had been chewed up by a dog. I got our little handsaw. Beautiful. It's on sale for 99 cents. However, had a $2 mail-in rebate. I'm counting it as $3. And the miter saw box because it's cheaper to actually buy the two pieces separate than to buy it as a pack. All in all, set us back $15.75. Not bad, not bad. We still have another stop. There's a reason Harbor Freight was named America's Sweetheart back in 2017. A drill, battery, and a charger. $14.99. Can't wait to open that bad boy up. Safety glasses, obviously for safety. Sandpaper, because we're going to be sanding some stuff. And a Forstner Bit Set. I didn't want to go with a paddle bit because these are nicer, and we got money to spend. I only need one of these bad boys. The Harbor Freight visit totaling out to $31.57. Menards, $15.75. And a mystery Walmart purchase, we're going to go over in a little bit. I don't want to ruin the project, for $19.67. What do you need that's so expensive from Walmart? You'll see. I'm going to show you how to do the first one, maybe the second one, and then you guys just copycat it the rest of the way down the board until you run out of board. Because you guys got to get to the store. 15 bucks. There is an in-depth, I'm not going to say in-depth. There's a video that I show you how long the battery lasts, if I can cut things with a hole saw, how far can I go with bits. I'm going to run it through a few tests. I'm not going to light it on fire or anything unless it does that on its own. First thing we're going to do is grab that miter saw box. There is a lip on it so that you can push it up against your workbench, and that way it stays in place. It's not moving when you're trying to cut things. That's a nice feature. You're going to take your board, you're going to put it right in the center. And I am going to 5 inches, and guess where the 5-inch line is? Bingo. Right perfectly where we need to go. I don't got to try to move and measure and write things down right now. Could have saved money for the pencils. We still need the pencils. Taking our handsaw. Gonna pop them in here. Lightly, not with a lot of pressure. I'm gonna go kind of back and forth just so I don't have any tear out. And then I'm gonna finish cutting the rest of the way through the board. You know what? I might not say it that often, but I am very happy that you're a part of my life. And I just wanted you to know that because this kind of sucks. You wouldn't even know which end of this board I had cut if there wasn't a bank robbery and some reason it got that blue ink stuff on it. Then you're going to grab one of those pencils, pre-sharpened, so I don't have that expense luring over my head. And we're going to measure 1.5 inches. I'm doing so by sliding it down the board until I get to the 6.5 spot. And then I'm going to mark it where this cut spot is. Because if I tried to do it from here, I'm going to have to eyeball it down because there's no line. And I didn't get a, tape measure. So I'm going to use this one. It's going to work fine. Right there. 3.5 down. Then I'm going to take the saw. I'm going to make these lines parallel. So, bonk. Just like that. I'm going to connect the corners. Draw the line the whole way. You're just going to be sanding it off. You're going to take your new $15 drill. You're going to grab one of those 3/8 of an inch Forstner bits. There's no audible clicks. That's okay. That's all right. And we're going to drill out this little spot over the edge of the workbench, because what else am I going to drill it on top of? The box? If you guys don't have a piece of scrap wood sitting around, go find one in a ditch, okay? Scrap wood. I don't want tear out. It's just going to ruin the whole project. Now that we have our hole, we're going to grab just a piece of sandpaper. This sandpaper is pretty cool because it's adhesive on the back. Now we're just going to sand this. Oh my gosh, we didn't wear the safety glasses. For cutting or drilling? Pro tip, when you go to do the second board, just put your first board on top of it. You know where the hole's got to go. $18.5 pieces later, we have our finished project. Now, what was that mystery purchase from Walmart? Post-it notes. But this manual note-taking app is quite outside the ordinary. When you take the pencil and put it through the hole, it sits upright all by itself. $10 a pop. The profit breakdowns are in the plans. And if you already own the tools to build it, your profits are that much more. Here I just used a few pieces of old scrap wood I had sitting around. I also drilled some holes in the top. This one is just a 1/2 inch hole so I could put a Sharpie into it. Added some magnet to the back so you can stick it right to the fridge instead of having the leaning feature. If you want to drill that hole, there's still space. This guy, still black walnut, also put a hole in the top. I do recommend gluing down the bottom post-it note because I came out to the garage this morning and all of them were detached. You can leave them plain Jane. You can also paint or stain them to your liking. Come on, this doesn't count. I said you could leave it plain Jane. There goes all my profits. You know what? I'd like to buy this one, please. Can I buy it right now, please? Count it yourself. Let's talk for a second about marketing. Wait, I already said that they sell for $10. Okay, but let's really talk about marketing. You want to position yourself with a project that covers as many customers as you can. These are perfect for gifts. They are perfect for the office, the home, the car. Here is what I write on the first post-it note. If only you had a reminder. Customers want an identity shift. They want this cute little note that says, hey garbage person, remember to go to the gym, read a chapter, clean out the car. Because your phone app isn't a bright piece of paper in front of their face. Countless creators have been mimicking my money-making woodworking projects. To see more original content before they make it their own, hit the subscribe button. Copycat creators, check out the description. I've listed the full scripting for this video to speed things along and thrown in a few tips as well. And a few names of channels. I've got the magic in me. Every time I touch that track, it turns into gold. Oh yeah, the t-shirt. I'm trying out a couple different print companies. I just want to see if I can throw this through the wash and, you know, wear it in the garage for a little bit before I throw it on the website. I just don't want it to be a cheapy shirt that falls apart really fast. So, thinking of you guys. You might see this shirt quite a bit until these letters are illegible. Bye.